In this video we are going to talk about 5 curious facts about octopuses. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Octopuses, those sassy but strange cephalopods, seem to encapsulate everything spooky and enigmatic about the sea. The idea of their soft, squishy bodies lurking in the deepest recesses of the ocean has inspired monsters ranging from the kraken to the Caribbean lusca. Their unearthly appearances, enhanced by unfurling arms, also appear in more modern monsters and villains, such as Disney's Ursula and Spider-Doc Man's O.C. Not to mention the octopus-themed horror films. Catherine Harmon Courage's latest book, Octopus, the most mysterious creature in the sea, is available today. Harmon Courage delves into everything octopus, from its culinary application in recipes all throughout the world to its terrible sex life. Here, we'll go over a few of the more remarkable aspects of octopuses. Number 5. Octopuses have blue blood and 3 hearts. As a result of their evolution to live in the deep ocean, octopuses have developed a copper-based blood type called hemocyanin, which causes their blood to turn blue rather than red. Because it is more efficient at transferring oxygen when the water temperature is extremely low and there isn't much oxygen available, this copper base is used to transport oxygen in situations where hemoglobin is ineffective. Due to the nature of their feeding mechanism, they become extremely sensitive to variations in the acidity of the water. Because octopuses are unable to circulate enough oxygen when the pH of the surrounding water drops too low, they become ill. As a result, scientists are concerned about what may happen to creatures as a result of the increased acidity of the water as a result of global warming. 2 of the hearts are solely responsible for the passage of blood beyond the animal's gills, while the third is in charge of ensuring that blood is delivered to the organs on a continuous basis. Swimming causes the octopus's organ heart to cease beating, which explains why the species prefers to crawl rather than swim, which is more taxing for the critters. Number 4. Octopus ink doesn't just hide the animal. Aside from that, the ink causes physical harm to opponents. It contains a chemical called tyrosinase, which is important for the regulation of the manufacture of the naturally occurring pigment melanin in humans, among other things. Predators' eyes are irritated by tyrosinase, which, when sprayed in their eyes, causes them to become blind. It also has the additional effect of interfering with the perceptions of smell and taste of organisms. It is possible for octopuses to expire as a result of the powerful effects of the protective mixture, even if they are unable to leave their own ink cloud. Number 3. After mating, it's game over for octopuses. Octopuses are short-lived creatures, and they usually die shortly after mating and giving birth to children. The species reproduces through the use of external fertilization. A large number of males either directly inject their spermatophores into the female's respiratory tube or physically hand her the sperm, which she invariably accepts with one of her right arms in either scenario. Following that, the men walk away to die in the woods. The females, on the other hand, have the ability to lay up to 400,000 eggs, which they obsessively monitor and care for throughout the entire process. Females abstain from food in order to devote their time and energy to their motherly responsibilities. When the female's eggs hatch and she is attacked by the male, her body reacts violently, rather than starving to death as it would otherwise. A state of cellular suicide occurs in her body, starting with her ocular glands and spreading outward through her tissues and organs until she is killed from the inside out. Number 2. Octopuses, to some, are erotic muses. A woodblock prince from 1814 titled Takeo to Ama, or Octopus, and the Shell Diver, which translates as Octopus and the Shell Diver, can be traced back to the origins of Japanese tentacle erotica. The print, which may include mature topics, is titled Takeo to Ama, or Octopus and the Shell Diver. It is known as Octopus and the Shell Diver in Japanese, and it literally translates as Octopus and the Shell Diver. A legend about a female shell diver who, after attracting the attention of a sea dragon deity, is pursued by marine creatures, including octopuses, and ultimately dies, according to Courage. Number 1. Octopus arms have a mind of their own. The arms of an octopus contain 2/3 of the neurons in its brain, which is contrary to popular belief. As a result, the arms can solve problems such as how to open a muscle while their owners are engaged in other activities, such as exploring a cave for more tasty treasures. Even after they have been fully severed, the arms can still respond. One experiment involved researchers pinching severed arms, which resulted in the arms jerking away in pain. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.